In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view weekly reports in Hubstaff. To get started, sign into your Hubstaff account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. If you're using Hubstaff to track time and monitor team activity, reports are one of the quickest ways to review performance over a specific period. In this case, we'll focus on viewing your data by week. Once you're inside Hubstaff, go to the Reports section. You can usually find this in the main navigation menu. The Reports area is where Hubstaff organizes tracked time, activity levels, and other useful summaries. So this is the right place to begin whenever you need a broader overview instead of looking at individual time entries. After opening Reports, choose either Daily Totals or Time and Activity. Both of these report types can help you review weekly information, but they serve slightly different purposes. Daily Totals is useful if you want a simple breakdown of tracked hours across each day. Time and Activity is a better option if you also want to see productivity-related details, such as activity levels alongside the time that was tracked. Choose the one that best matches what you need to review. Once you've opened the report, the next step is to set the date range. This is what allows you to view the report for a full week instead of a custom or default time period. Look for the date selector near the top of the report and adjust it to include the specific week you want to analyze. For example, you might set it from the beginning of the week to the end of the week, depending on how your organization defines a reporting week. After applying the date range, Hubstaff will refresh the report and display the data for that selected week. At this point, you can review the totals, compare daily patterns, and get a clearer picture of time usage or team activity across the entire week. If needed, you can switch between daily totals and time and activity to get different perspectives on the same time frame. A helpful tip is to double-check the dates before drawing conclusions from the report, especially if you're reviewing payroll, attendance, or productivity trends. Even a small date mismatch can change the results you're seeing. And that's it. By going to Reports, opening Daily Totals or Time and Activity, and setting the date range, you can quickly view weekly reports in Hubstaff and get the information you need in just a few clicks.